Hello and welcome to this beginner's guide to transactions in Hibernate. In this tutorial, we'll go over what transactions are, why they're important, and how to implement them in Hibernate. What are transactions? Simply put, a transaction is a single unit of work that should either succeed as a whole or fail as a whole. Transactions ensure the consistency and integrity of a database. Why are transactions important? In a scenario where multiple operations need to be performed on a database, for example, updating multiple records in a table, it is essential to ensure that all operations succeed as a unit and none of them corrupt the data. Transactions ensure that all operations are performed or none of them takes place, preserving data integrity and consistency. Now let's see how to implement transactions in Hibernate. 1. Begin a transaction. 2. Perform various database operations: create, read, update, delete. 3. Commit the transaction. In case something goes wrong, we should roll back the transaction. And that's all there is to it. Hibernate makes it easy to work with database transactions. With Hibernate, you can perform multiple database operations as a single transaction and ensure data integrity and consistency. Thanks for watching and happy coding!